Recently, we have discussed about classification of organisms and organ system also, right? Yes, sir. So, we divided the organisms into two groups: plant kingdom and animal kingdom. So, there is one organism. In which kingdom does it belong to? Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. So, Animalia is divided into two groups: invertebrates and vertebrates. So, in which group does it belong to? Vertebrates. Why vertebrates? Because it contains a backbone. Backbone is here, right? So, in vertebrates, there are altogether 5 classes. How many classes are there? What are the 5 classes? Pisces, amphibia, reptilia, apes, mammalia. Right? 5 are there. So, in which class does it belong to? In which class does it belong to? Apes. Why does it belong to apes? Number one, it's 4 limbs. Actually, these are 4 limbs. What are these? 4 limbs. These 4 limbs are modified into wings. What are they? Wings. Hind limbs contains altogether how many fingers here? 4. In 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 claws are here. How many? See? So long nails. And no nail cutter is also provided, right? Okay. And what are the characteristics of apes? What are the characteristics of apes? Their 4 limbs are modified into wings. Body is covered with feather. Body is covered with feather. And do they lay eggs or they give birth to their young ones?
Eggs.
It means they are oviparous animals. If they lay eggs, they are oviparous. If they give birth to their young ones, what are they? Viviparous. Oviparous and viviparous. Okay, what is cell? What is cell? Structural and functional unit of life. And what do you call the group of cells? Tissues. And group of tissue? Organs. Group of organ? Organ system. Now, this outermost part, what is this? Skin. This is the skin, right? What is this? Skin. See, here is skin, isn't it? And skin is present everywhere. See, here is also skin, here is skin. And what is this portion called? Beak. So, what type of beak is there? The beak is teethless. It has no any teeth. Okay, teeth-like beak. And actually, in apes, the bones are pneumatic. Pneumatic means hollow. But if you talk about this type of birds, their bone is not completely hollow. There is little bit bone marrow. Little bit bone marrow. Do you eat chicken or not? Yes. I think everybody is chicken, right?
Yes.
Inside the long bone, is there some liquid or not? What is that liquid called? Bone marrow. And bone marrow is responsible for making or producing blood cells. And if you feel quite hot, please you can go and stay in that shady area, right? Okay, so you can sit in that shady area. Why not? I think those boys they cannot see. Boys, you come, you just go over this side. Some they can see that side also, and you can. Will you keep that a bit back? I will show you everything.
I'll tell you.
Okay. Could you remember the different type of tissues found in animal cells, animal body? Different type of tissues found in our body. Nervous tissue. That's number one is nervous. Next one, epithelial tissue. Outermost covering is made up of epithelial tissue. So here is epithelial tissue, right? The outermost part of the skin contains epithelial tissue. And what is this? And what is this part called? Thigh. Right? Here is thigh. I think here is more muscle. Here is more muscle. How many types of muscles are there? There are 3 types of muscle. Cardiac muscle. Voluntary, involuntary and cardiac. Okay. So you can see here is muscle. Is there muscle or not? Shall we cut this one now?
Yes,
So let me cut, right? Oh,
once a day.
yes. You might have seen your. Some of you please bring water also, right? Yeah, because when we take out the elementary can it is different. What is this? Skin. And what is this white one? Muscle. What is that? Muscle. I'm cutting slowly. Oh, here some white thing came. Have you noticed this? What is this white thing? This one. This white thing is fat. What is it? Fat. We have to be very careful while cutting it. Otherwise, what will happen? Oh,
Organic.
the internal part may come out, and the items of alimentary canal. Here is very hard bone, and here is one of it hard portion. We call it cartilage. Now, okay, I'll show you something. Hey. Student, what is this? What is this? This is muscle. What is this?
Muscle.
This muscle is called voluntary muscle or skeletal muscle. You can feel it, right? How is it? You have a stronger one. Right? This is chest muscle. We can take out from here as well.
One this side, one that side.
See? This is also what? Yeah, skeletal muscle. You can just feel it. Feel it. Skeletal muscle. Means it is made up of muscular tissue. Let me take out this also. And other students they can observe it. Please notice how strong it is, right?
One.
This side. Have you seen? Take this side. Give it to them.
You already got.
One thing I want to show you. I'm going to show you now cartilage. What do I show you? What is present in our pinna?
Kishore, give them.
Students, what is present in our pinna? Cartilage. Can you see here some white thing? Hello? You others, can you see here some white thing?
Yes, sir.
This is a bit harder. It is not as hard as bone, but much more harder than muscle. This is called cartilage. What is it?
Cartilage.
Take it and pass to your friends also, right? So cartilage is present here also. I will just cut. This is kurkure haddi, right? Yes. I will show you here also. Children, this one. Look at it, children. Look at it. This white portion. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
This is cartilage. It is much harder, right? Excuse me. What are you talking? We have to be very careful in cutting. And we have to notice what is coming here. So cutting is very important. Okay. Now let me remove this upper muscle, okay? Now I think it's better to keep here. Look. This white one, can you see? What is this white one? This is cartilage. What is this? Cartilage. And what is this? Muscle. Skeletal muscle. Skeletal of it. Proper one. See? Just like fibers. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
Is it like fibers? Now I will remove some more cartilage and I will show you the internal part. Still, here is cartilage. Can you see? Ready? Children, now can you see here something?
Yeah.
It is red in color, right? That means what is this? This is bone. This is bone and this red color is bone marrow. What is it? What is the color here?
Red.
So that is called red bone marrow. What is it?
Red bone man.
You can feel how strong it is. Right? Now I'm going to
Ritik.
Hey, please don't touch. Now we have to see these parts, how they are arranged. So see, this is bone, right? So bone protects the delicate organs. See, bone protects
Susan.
delicate organs. In our body also, the chest protects the delicate organs. Okay, can you see here something? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Let me take out this slowly. Wait a minute. What is that? Liver. Just a minute. I'll remove this muscle and show you. Okay?
All of you sit. Sir will show.
No, everybody
Sit.
down.
Sir will
Please
show.
stand up. One of you can you catch this one?
You cameraman, go. You go.
Slowly.
Kishore, keep that here. Why to play?
I'm just taking out this all.
Pass to other also.
Here are
Why
so
only?
many.
Why being over?
Hello, students. Here are so many
The
uh,
I giving on the
organ systems. This bone is a bit stronger one. This is the liver. What is this? Liver.
So we will throw these parts or what?
Which one?
That.
That is for eating. Why to throw? Children, just don't touch me. You get here, right? I'm taking out this muscle. So muscle is taken out or not? Yes, sir. Yeah, please. The muscle, you just keep one side.
Keep.
They don't. You have to wash it.
Yeah. Kishore, sir said it can be used by washing.
Don't touch, friends. So all important systems are here. Eh? Yeah. See how strong bone is here. Is this bone very strong or not? See. Red is bone marrow, but very strong chest bone. Very strong bone.
Yes.
Check this bone. It is strong or not? Okay.
Oh, yes.
Now, near about this bone is just check how is it strong or look weaker one.
Oh, but wait to
Isn't that very hard?
bone.
Yeah, bone is the hardest tissue.
You're having it.
Okay. Now you can see here.
Long coming.
Children, look at here, everybody. You stand up. Also, also one by one. This is liver. What is this? Liver. And what is this? Heart. What is this? Heart. Boy, you don't see. You see it. Liver. Here is heart. and
Suicide.
means group by group I will show you. Okay. Sorry.
Heart-shaped liver.
Sorry. And can you see here this? This is you. One group is stand up. Okay. Only they are watching. Eh? What is this? Liver. And this one is. And here is you can see this white. This call this thing. Green. We call gallbladder. Gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
It is called bile. And this bigger one. This is large intestine, right? What is this? Large intestine. See, covered with this adipose tissue. Or what is it called? Fat tissue. Adipose is also called fat. Okay.
This one is
Okay.
Okay, guys.
So which one?
sit down.
This one.
Welcome to my new vlog.
This is. Wait a minute. This is cartilage. Cartilage. Yeah. Good. See? There is cartilage as well as bone. Outside cartilage, inside bone. Okay, sit down. Rest of the stand up. You boys come here. Come. You can come and see this one. What are these? I think now for everybody, I'm just going to show this one. Eh? Liver. Now let's take out this elementary canal.
Green, sir.
Oh, this one, this green one. This green one is called gallbladder. What is it? Gallbladder. And here is one part. It is called gut. Like we have got in our body there is in our body there is stomach. In their body there is gut. This gut is responsible for mainly digestion of food. This is pangra. What do they call?
Pangra.
Here is their jelly. See here jelly? And they are covered. No, this portion. This pangra or gut is the main part which helps in digestion. I will cut and show you what is there. All food reaches here and that food is digested. Okay? This is heart. This is heart. See? Heart is covered with one membrane or not? This membrane is called pericardium. What do you call this membrane? You can toss. How is it? Toss.
Wait, come
So see? Yeah. Yeah. Right? Yes or no? Yeah, just see, feel it. Yeah, this is heart. Yeah, this is high, isn't it? And shall we take out this elementary canal?
Yes.
Look at it. One, what to say? Water is also needed plus one plastic where we can keep all these things. Waste materials. Who is talking there? Please don't talk, boys. See, whole. This intestine is highly coiled. Intestine is highly coiled. Slowly we just. This one. This is what is spleen? What do you call it? Spleen. Let's check whether it has got appendix or not. If there is appendix, it must suffer from appendicite also, right? So we'll just take out. Actually, where is the appendix located? Do you know? Appendix is located between large intestine and small intestine. So first of all, we will just check. Hey. So we have to be very careful and.
Sir, what is this part? That circle one.
This one. This is the part of the goiter. Actually, food is stored here. Why not? You touch it and just see it. I will just take out in every part and do, but I'm just going to show you this because you have to learn, and it is covered with this fat. It is coiled, highly coiled. Intestine is quite long.
Very
Intestine, right? This one. This one is large intestine. This one is small intestine. Okay, small intestine. What is this? Because large intestine is connected with anus. Anus is here. From anus, the waste material must come out, right? They don't have. Yeah, they don't have. Actually,
smell.
from same part, that waste material comes out. Okay. What happened to these boys? From same part, yeah. So let's take out its lungs first, right? Oh, see here. This blood is called. This blood is called coagulated blood. What do you call it? Coagulated means it has already changed into solid form. See, this is the membrane. This is the membrane by which the heart is covered. This membrane is called pericardium. What do you call it? Pericardium. This is heart. The heart contains 4 chambers. How many chambers are there? 4. What are the 4 chambers? Right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, left ventricle. It is a bit hard. And the heart keeps on pumping 24 hours, 7 weeks, every year, every month, until the person dies. When the heart stops functioning, Ram Nam Tate, Kam Kuro Pate, right? This is right. So this heart is made up of cardiac muscle. Now I am going to take out this. What am I going to take out? Children, so this liver, see? Liver is very big in size, see? Is it very big or not? Yes, sir. See, very big in size. Children, Please don't talk too much.
Sir, does chicken have brain?
Why not? Okay.
Yes.
We'll see whether it has got brain or not. What's the time now? See the time, hey? It has got brain, why not? Students, excuse me, what is this? Liver. This liver is made up of involuntary muscle. How is it made up of? It is made up of involuntary muscle. And this is called gallbladder. What is this? Gallbladder. So the gallbladder contains a bit bitter substance. So can you catch this one? Yeah, wait. Slowly, go. Okay. This is waste material today, right? Yeah. This is the one. Okay? This is the one. And I was talking about this part called gut. So gut is the main part for digestion. Okay, I'll just show you. This is edible, that is spleen, hey? And look at here. Now this part will throw, okay? This is gut and this is small intestine.
Yes.
What is this?
Small intestine.
How long is it? Let's check once.
Very long.
Is it longer? No. Is it long or short?
You do it.
Hey, who is there?
Let me go. Now me the camera. Get out.
In case of our body, it is nearby.
Give me, bro. Me the camera.
Now, we don't need this one, okay? This also we don't need. One of you, could you hold this one?
No.
This so wait. Now I'm not going to cut this one. I'll cut this later, right?
Camera.
Oh, that is called thyme. What do you call it? Thyme means digested food. Okay, not completely absorbed. That's inside. I'll cut this one later. I don't know what's the time. Oh, 54 time is running. Somebody says so whether there is brain or not. I'll show you brain. Right?
Pause now.
Wait a minute.
Pause.
Sir, what about this?
No, that I'll cut. Okay, now I'm going to show you brain of this animal. Okay.
Yeah, those, yeah.
Excuse me, don't okay.
Yeah, those.
Don't touch like that. What are you saying?
The brain is kept inside the brain box. We call it cranium.
Cranium.
What do you call it?
Cranium.
Which one? This is that is blood. I'm going to show you the brain of chicken. Eh?
Whoa. That's great.
Yeah, here's the brain. Yeah, can we touch? Yeah, why not? Touch it.
Oh my god. Very
Yeah, why not? You touch. Very soft, right? Well, don't press too much. Don't press too much. Actually, you are here for learning.
That can be.
What? No, it is very soft one. Soft and delicate one, isn't it? Soft and delicate part. Let me cut it, okay? Oh, okay. The brain also, yeah.
Oh. That's what's on it.
Yeah, no, small animal then that. Brain? Yeah, brain. This black one, these are the eyes.
Oh. Sir, can you take out?
Let me.
Eyes.
Please, students.
Eyes is bigger than brain.
Seems like that, right?
Oh my god.
Who is talking now? Oh, the liquid came out, right? There was liquid came out. And the
What? I'm so amazed. Oh, that is pretty nice.
hey, look at it. Don't touch that.
Because they only have one eye.
Here, here's some liquid, no? Is it liquid or not?
Yes, sir.
And this also you throw it. Just keep a small piece, then that crow will eat, right? Now I will show you. Hello.
Look, there is two.
Everybody, just go a bit far away.
They are
Hey boy,
waiting for
go a bit far away. I'll show you.
Wait.
See, this is the main organ of digestion. What food was given to it, it has gone here.
Why does people eat that?
This one, this is highly muscular. That's why. See,
Oh my god.
it has eaten these things.
Yes.
It has eaten these things. See, this is the food. Not digested, but inside it, it is digested. Not poop. Poop comes from backside. That are only. Hey, don't throw.
This is already digested that I am not
See, they are ready to have it. Later we'll give them. Okay, hello. Now I'll show you. Look at here, everybody. This is called gut. What do you call it? Gut. And this is the main organ which digests. Here.
Corn.
This is the, I think corn was provided to it. Right? But this is edible. One of you clean it and give it to sister, right? So, see here.
It's fresh food. This is food.
Yes, sir. So, feel this one, everybody touch it. Yes, sir. Okay. So this is the thing. So we have seen the internal parts also, then that also, right? Okay. Today this much. Thank you. Okay, thank you.